Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, whether you're listening while walking, cooking, driving, or just relaxing on your bed, welcome.
Exactly. And today's episode is very special because we are not going to teach hard grammar or boring rules.
No boring stuff today.
Today, we're going to help you learn English naturally, the way real people speak in daily life.
That's right. Just a friendly conversation between two people, like friends talking over tea or coffee.
Or even talking while waiting for food.
Yes, so please relax, don't stress, and just listen.
And if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Really.
Yes, that's very important. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Part 1. Talking about daily life.
So, Alex, how was your day today?
My day? Honestly, it was simple. I woke up a little late, had coffee, checked my phone too much, and then worked.
Checking the phone too much is very real life.
What about you? How was your day?
My day was okay too. I cleaned my room in the morning, or at least I planned to clean it.
Planned? So you didn't clean it?
I cleaned one corner, and then I got tired.
That still counts as cleaning.
Thank you for supporting me.
Always. Learning tip. Naturally inside conversation.
By the way, listeners, did you notice something?
Yes, we are using very simple sentences.
Exactly. Real English is not complicated. People speak simply.
You don't need big words to sound natural. Part 2. Why learning English feels hard.
Alex, can I ask you something serious for a moment?
Of course.
Why do you think many people feel afraid when speaking English?
That's a great question. I think people are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, they think, what if I say something wrong?
But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes,
Even native speakers.
especially native speakers.
True. Sometimes I hear native speakers and I think, wow, that sentence was not perfect.
And that's okay. English is for communication, not perfection.
Say that again, please.
English is for communication, not perfection.
I love that.
Part 3. Funny real-life English moments. Emma, have you ever said something funny in English by mistake?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell us one story.
Okay. Once I wanted to say, I'm very full after eating food,
Okay.
but instead I said, I'm very fool.
That's amazing.
Everyone laughed, including me.
But that's a perfect example. You spoke, people understood, and nobody died.
Exactly, and now it's a funny memory.
So, listeners, please remember, mistakes make stories.
Yes, and stories make learning fun.
Part 4. Thinking in English. Very important. Emma, let's talk about something important. Thinking in English.
Yes, many learners translate from their language to English in their head.
And that makes speaking slow and stressful.
So what's the solution?
Start thinking simple thoughts in English.
Like what?
Like, I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need water. I like this song.
Simple sentences, daily thoughts.
Exactly. Your brain learns with repetition. Part 5. Small talk. Real life English.
Alex, let's do some small talk. Real life style.
Okay, let's go.
So, how's the weather today?
It's a bit hot, honestly. But the sky looks nice.
Yes, I like sunny days, but not too hot.
Same here. Hot weather makes me lazy.
Me too. I just want to sit and do nothing.
And that's also real life English, listeners. Simple topics. Part 6 English at work or study.
Many listeners want English for work or study.
Yes, so let's talk like coworkers.
Okay.
Hi, Emma. How's your work going?
It's going well, but I have a lot to do today.
I understand. Same here. Deadlines are stressful.
Yes, but coffee helps.
Coffee solves many problems. Part 7 Laughing and being natural.
You know, Alex, sometimes learners think English must sound very serious.
Yes, but real English includes laughing
And emotions.
and jokes.
And, you know.
Exactly. Those are natural sounds. Part 8 Daily practice advice.
Alex, what's one simple advice for English learners?
Speak every day, even 5 minutes.
Yes, talk to yourself.
Or talk to your mirror.
Or talk to us through this podcast.
Yes. Part 9 Short story. Real life.
Let me tell a short story.
Go ahead.
One of my friends learned English by listening every day, not studying hard, just listening while walking.
That's powerful.
Now she speaks confidently, not perfectly, but confidently.
Confidence is everything. Part 10 Relaxed ending.
So, dear listeners, thank you for spending time with us today.
Yes, we really appreciate you.
Remember, English is not scary.
It's just a language, and you're learning it step by step.
Please smile, relax, and enjoy the process.
We'll meet you again in the next episode.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.